This program is a typical family consumer science career tech program. We offer 3 courses that include human growth and development, principles of human services, and lifetime nutrition, wellness, and food preparation. The goal of the program is to give kids opportunities to do those hands-on skills and to see where their core subjects are guiding their interests into what they want to put in action.
I like the cooking. I love the cooking. It's super fun. It's a good way to get your mind off of just regular school. It's a good space to just be yourself.
It's really fun, and outside of cooking, Ms. Jones is awesome. I have fun with my classmates. I have fun every day in here.
My door is one that, once you walk through, is a place of opportunities, a place for you to find a connection with others, a place for them to feel it becomes their safe spot. And in a school this size, a lot of that becomes really important to students.